In order to develop a fully climate-neutral car, at Polestar we are already identifying the necessary steps to reach this goal in 2030. This process leads us to question the way the industry has been doing things for decades. Today, interiors host a wide array of components using different materials and being bonded together again with different adhesives. That's where the idea of monomaterials comes in. The foam, the adhesive and the 3D knit fibers are made from one material, a highly recyclable thermoplastic, which becomes the sole ingredient of all the soft components of the O2's interior. This way, after disassembly, most of the seat can be recycled as the same material, a significant step towards greater circularity.